At RiSource Technology, precision isn't just our goal, it's our standard. We specialize in producing high-precision metal components through advanced CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and stamping processes. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest 5-axis CNC technology, allowing us to create complex parts with one-time clamping positioning for optimal accuracy. One of our key offerings is precision blades, specifically engineered for critical applications in the aerospace industry, where performance and precision are non-negotiable. At RiSource, we don't just meet industry standards, we exceed them. From prototyping to large-scale production, our team ensures every part is crafted with care and delivered on time. RiSource Technology, precision you can rely on,